Hello everyone, welcome to MS Safety webcast. In this video, we will learn the steps on how to create users and groups on Windows Server 2022 Active Directory. This is our Windows Server 2022 domain controller for mssafetywebcast.com domain. You have to sign into your domain controller with the domain administrator's account. Open Server Manager. Click on Tools and select Active Directory Users and Computers to access the Management Console. For this guide, we will create an OU named Cells. Imagine OU as a folder in which you will put files that correspond to the name or topic of the folder. So in Sales OU, we will put all the users that are in Sales department and all the groups associated with Sales department users. To create a new OU, click on Domain and expand it. Right-click on Domain Name, click New and select OU. Give a meaningful name to OU, leave Protect Container from accidental deletion selected and confirm with OK. Sales OU has been created successfully in our Active Directory. Now we are going to create a user in the Sales OU. Right-click on Sales OU, click New and select User. Enter the first name and last name for a new user account. First name is going to be Sam. Last name will be Harper. Full name will fill in automatically, which is going to Sam Harper in our case. User logon name is the name which user will use to log into Windows domain. You will want to come up with a naming convention for logon names. The two most popular methods I have seen are first name and last name initials and complete first name and last name. We will use sam.h as this user's login name. Click Next. Enter a new password and enter it again to confirm. Password must have at least 8 characters, which include a special character, numbers and uppercase letters. It is recommended to select User must change password at next logon. This will force users to change their password the first time they log on. We want all the user accounts to have unique passwords, so forcing users to create their own passwords is more secure and best practice. Click Next to continue. Review the settings which we have configured for the new user account. Click on Finish to create new user object with the name Sam Harper. The Active Directory user account has been created successfully. Let's sign into our domain join Windows 11 computer with using this user's username and password. Go to Windows 11 virtual machine. This is our Windows 11 virtual machine. Let me remind you that we have joined this Windows 11 computer to our Active Directory domain in the last video. Link to that video is given in the description area. Press Ctrl-Alt-Delete key combination. Click on Other User. Type the username which is sam.h at mssafetywebcast.com in our case. Enter user's password and press Enter key to sign in. We can see the message, the user's password must be changed before signing. As we have selected the option, user must change password at next logon while creating the user account Sam Harper. Click on OK to change user's password. Already, old password is there. We just need to specify the new password and again confirm the new password. Press Enter key to change user's password. User password has been changed successfully. Click on OK to sign into this Windows 11 computer. This user is first time login to this Windows 11 computer, and that's why Windows 11 is creating the user profile for this user account. We can see Sam Harper has successfully logged in to this Windows 11 computer. Let's go back to our domain controller. Let's say we have 50 users in sales department and we have a file share with important documents that only salespeople should be allowed to access. So users from other department should not access these files. We can add 50 users from sales one by one to that file share and grant them access, or we can do it by granting sales group access. We can use groups for mailing and permissions in apps and file shares. Pretty convenient after we set it. We want to create a group within the Sales OU. Right click on Sales OU, select New and click on Group. In the group name text box, type the name for our new group. This is the name that will be displayed for the group in Active Directory. Be sure to use a name that clearly indicates its purpose. I'm going to name my group Sales Group. There are two types of groups available in Active Directory: security and distribution. A security group in Active Directory is used to assign permissions to resources. A distribution group in Active Directory is used to create email distribution list. We are going to use a security group in this video. For the group scope, we have three options: domain local, global, and universal. The scope generally only comes into play when you're dealing with multiple domains and Active Directory trust. If you are in a single domain environment, 9 times out of 10, you are going to be fine picking a global scope. We are going to use global group scope in this video. Click on OK to create new security group named Sales Group. We should see the Active Directory group listed in the Active Directory OU that we created. Let's create a share folder to see groups usage in action. Open File Explorer. For testing purpose, we will create a shared folder on C drive. On C drive, create a new folder and name it Sales File. Right-click on Folder and select Properties. Click on Sharing tab. Click on Advanced Sharing. Select Share this folder checkbox. Now click on Permissions. I'm going to remove everyone. Click on Add. Click on Advanced. Click on Find Now. This will give the list of all the objects from our Active Directory. From the list, select Sales Group. Click OK. Click OK again. Let's give Sales Group read and change permission. Click on Apply and OK. Again, click on Apply and OK. Under Network Path, we can see the shared folder path. Note down the shared folder path and click on Close. This is not the recommended way to create a shared folder. We will have a separate video on how to create a shared folder correctly. Go back to Windows 11 computer. On this computer, we have already logged in as Sam Harper. Let's try to access the shared folder which we have created on domain controller. Open Run menu, type UNCWS 2022-DC01. This is our domain controller's host name. Press Enter key. We can see the shared folder named Sales File. Can this user open it? Let's see that. Let's double click on Sales File shared folder. The answer is no, since we have only granted the access to Sales Group and currently this user is not member of that group. That's why the user is not able to access the share folder named Sales File. Click on Close and let's close this as well. Now let's add this user to the cells group and later check the shared folder access again. In Active Directory users and computers, right-click on cells group and select properties. Click the members tab. From here, we can see all the members of this Active Directory group. Right now, there are no members. So let's add a member by clicking the Add button. Click on Advanced. Click on Find Now. Add your desired user. I'm going to use user account Sam Harper. Let's select Sam Harper and click on OK. Click on OK again. Now Sam Harper will be listed under Members tab. Click on Apply and OK. We have successfully added our Active Directory user Sam Harper to cells group. The other way to add a user to a group is through the users on property. Double-click on Active Directory user account. Select Member of tab. We can see the cells group is listed here. We can use Add button to add this user to any other Active Directory group from here. Click on Find Now, and from here you can select your existing Active Directory group to add this user to that specific Active Directory group. Click on Cancel, click on Cancel again, and click on Cancel again. So these are the two methods to add Active Directory user to Active Directory group. Sam Harper is now member of the cells group, and cells group can access the shared folder. This means Sam Harper can also access the shared folder. Let's check that. Go back to Windows 11 VM. First of all, we need to sign out once as we have updated the user's group membership. Remember, any changes in group membership will apply next time when users sign in. Sign in again as a Sam Harper. Let's try to access the share folder. Open Run menu, type UNC path ws2022-dc01 and press Enter key. Let's again try to access the cells files shared folder. Let's double click on the shared folder, and this time the user can access the share folder. Since Sam is now a member of the cells group and we have assigned access permission to cells group on this shared folder. That is the reason why Sam is now able to access cells file shared folder. Maybe this video is little long. We could have finished the steps in 3 to 4 minutes, but I want to cover the fundamentals as well in this video. I hope you found this video helpful and interesting. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. That's all for this video on how to create users and groups on Windows Server 2022 Active Directory. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.